Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. In today's video, we are going to be installing the S60R/V70R's door seals on my 2006 XC70. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Okay guys, so today is actually, I believe, the very first day that we're going to be doing a complete S60R install on the XC70. Last video, like you guys saw, I'll pan around, we weren't able to install the other side's S60R headlights. So we have the left side headlight from the S60R, but not the right side, since we didn't have the proper wiring harness. Now though, like you guys, if you guys have seen the last little road trip video we did with the XC70, you will see right about, let's try to get it out, right about here is the final piece that we needed in order to do that install. So this is an S60R's wiring harness, which I grabbed from the parts car that I went to visit with you guys last week. So let me lower this down a little bit for you guys. So today we're installing the S60R door sills. So those are the little aluminum pans on the side of the door. I'm just gonna open the door for you guys and show y'all what this looks like. So these are the factory VOLVO ones, which are not extremely pleasant to watch. They're nice, you know, little aluminum in the middle, VOLVO there, and this, and yes, by the way, there was a little side impact right here, but we don't worry about that because it is solid. So what you want to do is we're gonna have to remove these. I already started on one side just to make sure, and now that I watch under, I'm probably gonna go get some stuff to clean under there. We have the S60R ones right over here. Okay, you guys can see them properly. If you guys have seen a previous video where this was actually the first parts that I went to pick up. Why does this always be too big? Okay, there we go, fixed it. Sorry guys, it's pretty hard being a sole cameraman, but you guys will see that mech will be back this summer. Very soon. Nearly broke my head. And yeah, so let's get right going guys. It's very easy. All you need is common hand tools. So a pry tool of some sort. I would consider using maybe a screwdriver, and you just be careful not to scratch the paint under. And after that, let me see, I will need my tape. I'm gonna go grab my double-sided tape, so 3M double-sided tape, because it is being held on by tape and not screws. So let's get to doing that. I forgot to mention guys, you should probably get some cleaning supplies, because like you guys will see, it is very dirty underneath here with all the glue and stuff throughout the years. So what I would recommend to you guys to use would be some Scott towel and a sponge that you fill up with dish soap. Yes, you guys heard me properly. We're putting dish soap on paint. We're not putting it on the paint that we will see. So the car will not lose any of its hydrophobic properties. We're only putting it in the inside of the door seals. Do not wash your car with dish soap, guys. It will strip from all of the waxes and everything. So dish soap, some Scott towel to dry everything up. I'll throw you guys onto the tripod. I'll show you guys. This is probably the easiest install that we will ever do on a car, and it makes the car look so much better, I promise. Okay guys, so step number one, I hope you guys will be able to see properly. I used some kind of flathead screwdriver. Let's see if I can focus on it. Just very gently, ever so slightly, just pry up on it. And once you have it started like that, you will not need it anymore. Just use your hand and your common knowledge, and very slowly, just rip the old out. So like you guys can see, it's only 3M tape all the way inside. You want to make sure to remove the excess that's still on the car. I'm gonna litter for 30 seconds. I'm not gonna litter forever. Hopefully it all comes off in one piece, not like me guys. See, there's a piece that stayed there. So what I'll do is I'll probably have to scrape with my hand and try to get it out as good as I can. Or I could use my brain. I could use some other 3M tape, warm it up with my fingers, stretch it and play with it. Place it on top and then pry with both. See? It helps a lot, because the 3M tape likes to bond with itself, right? So I don't know if they use 3M tape in this scenario in the factory. Looks like it. Very similar. So you just want to scrape away. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, you guys can see. All right. It's very hard guys, having a camera filming you and working and making sure that it's in the right angles. There we go. And now slowly pull it up There's gonna be pieces that are a little bit more stuck than others, so you just wanna slowly pull it up in one piece as much as possible. And there we go. So now we've taken the old one completely out. You wanna grab your sponge, just like that. Start with the proper side and just gently go and scrub down the area, just like this. And then you could use the backside. I nearly lost the Scott towel. Wouldn't have been a good thing if it fell in the snow. You could use the backside of it. I wouldn't recommend it because you might scratch your paint, and if you like the inside of your car, well, it's too bad after. So grab your Scott towel, go ahead and make sure that it's properly dry. I would use 2 pieces of Scott towel if I were you guys. First piece just to remove the excess and the dirt that's on the panel. And second Scott towel would be to completely dry out the area. Make sure that there's no more water left, because glue and water, well, I don't have to tell you guys, does not like being together. Perfect. So the area is pretty clean. There is still a little bit of glue left, like you guys can see in some areas, but overall this will more than likely do the job because the new glue is probably going to bond with the old glue. So I went inside and cleaned the S60Rs. Let's see if it can focus. Please focus. Anyways, you guys know the drill. The S60R panel is all nice and clean, just like that. Why does the camera not want to focus? And this is exactly where it goes. So you want to test fit it first, guys. So since there was a little side impact on this car in the past, I will have to play a little bit of fidoogling here, and I will just grab this again because there are some soap that's seeping through here at the bottom. Just gonna, sorry guys, just gonna grab this and try to scrub it out. Okay, there we go. So grab your piece, test fit it, and see where the high and low points are going to be. So the high points are definitely going to be on the sides. There's going to be, I think we should put 1 strip all the way down the middle, or maybe 2 strips together all the way down the middle right here, because this is my 3M tape. I do not have a ton of it, so let's start with 1. We'll start with 1 from all the way here. Make sure you start at the top, guys, and hopefully in the middle, and make sure you go all the way down to about over here. Grab my scissors, do a chop. All right. By the way, guys, this was the 3M tape that I was supposed to use on the S60R, the S80 V8's body kit. Sorry, this was a little hard to say. You want to press down before you remove the sticker, guys. You want to make sure you press down on all of it. It is pressure activated, so the more you press on it, the more it's gonna bond properly with the panel and the door. So start off by pressing it down like this. Make sure you have the good side. Make sure it doesn't create any high spots. It's in the right place. So we're gonna press it down like this. I think it's pretty good up to now. Make sure the R logo is on the inside of the cabin for the driver's side, and on the passenger side it's gonna be on the outside of the door sill. I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit for you guys so you can see a little bit better. So we're gonna, it is a little hard to take because the tape bonds very well with the protector siding here. And then you just wanna rip it out, just like this. And then make sure, guys, because you probably will not have a second try, make sure you align it properly, just like that, and then go ahead and press down. It's perfectly aligned. Wow, first try. So now, very important, go ahead, press down on it as hard as you can. It is a door, so the panel will not come off. You're not, you know, like this is pure body work, so it should not be moving. And what I'll do is I'll grab one of these and I will just, it is completely wet, I'll grab one of the Scott towels just so I could put some even pressure with all my fingers on it and press all the way down one side to the other. Alrighty guys, there we go. Side number 1 is done. Looks pretty dang good if you ask me. Let's zoom out a little bit. You guys see the difference now? Most probably. Let's turn down the luminosity. You guys can see the difference, most probably how big of a difference it is versus the old one, which was just this boring Volvo, just like that. I'll keep these if ever one day I need them. Definitely not today though, because we got this beautiful one installed. And that looks proper, guys. So I'll just record a short video for the TikTok and YouTube fam. If you guys haven't followed those channels, links are going to be down in the description below. So make sure you check them out. There's some content there that you guys do not see on the YouTube channel. More likely some funny memes and things like that. But anyways, YouTube channel is for the real installs, just like this. This side is the exact same thing, guys. I went ahead and used the flathead screwdriver to just remove one side. And this side, the glue actually all came off one piece together. So same process, clean, dry, repeat, put the new glue, and well, I'll show you guys the final result once we're out of the tripod. So let's get to work. Alrighty guys, so everything is now installed on both sides and the final result is actually really nice. It changes totally the look when you open the door of the car. So without further ado, let's do a couple of B-rolls for the old time's sakes. Enjoy. Finally installed, the very first official complete, because we only did one headlight and not the second one. The video is coming soon, guys. I have the wiring harness. I just have to take the time and remove the bumper. Since this was extremely quick, I had time to do it today. Next up, we're gonna do something which is located just right here. I've already started to remove that said thing, and we will be changing it for something of a color, which the interior will be very, very soon. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post comment notification if you don't want to miss any future Tanker Road uploads. Tank Garage. Dude, I can't speak. Anyways, see you guys.